Lightness and freedom, what relaxed hands really mean. When we talk about relaxed hands, we're referring to a very particular kind of touch. It's a touch that feels gentle and loving. It's light, so light it's almost like you're sketching with a weightless pencil. The hands feel loose, almost like jellyfish, soft, fluid, and free. There's no gripping, no clinging, no fixed pressure. Instead, your fingers glide effortlessly across the keys without force or resistance, so lightly it's as if your hands aren't even there. And after you touch a key, the hand simply stays open without holding any pressure. This is what we mean by relaxed hands. Truly relaxed hands don't feel heavy, they feel light. Resting on the keys, they should evoke the sensation of a leaf gently landing on your skin, barely there, soft and effortless. At first, this may feel unfamiliar. We often associate the word relaxation with heaviness. But in piano playing, the concept of weight can carry unintended tension or control. Try gliding your hands gently across the keys. Then, with a smooth circular wrist motion, let your fingertips lower the keys, not by pressing in isolation, but by allowing the motion to flow. Picture small, fluid circles led by intention, not force. If your sound turns harsh or your hands begin to tighten, it's a cue that some tension is still lingering. Return to the image of the drifting leaf. Let it shape the touch, light, unforced, and free. True hand relaxation isn't about limpness. It requires a balance of softness and subtle strength. If your hands tend to collapse or slip off the keys, it often means the fingertips aren't actively engaged or the small muscles in the palm haven't yet been developed. In this course, we strengthen both through sound imagination and internal singing. These tools help you stay grounded on the keys while maintaining ease, lightness, and control. Creating a powerful tone doesn't require force. In fact, pressing down with effort from the forearm and fingers alone can lead to tension, harsh sound, and pain, especially in the wrist and underside of the forearm. A truly powerful, rich, and resonant tone, one that's free of harshness and injury, emerges not from force but from a new internal sensation, the experience of free-flowing energy throughout the body, transferred to the keyboard through the guidance of inner singing. Even with the clearest musical intentions, sound imagination, intonation, arm weight, phrasing, and efficient motion. If your arms and hands hold even subtle compulsive tension, your expression will be blocked. Unreleased tension creates a barrier, preventing energy from flowing freely through your body into the keyboard. To allow your ideas to come through in sound, your arms must act as a clear and open channel, a bridge between your intentions and the instrument. Unhealthy tension often arises from a lack of clarity when you're unsure how to physically express a musical idea. This inner resistance is a form of blocked energy rooted in confusion or uncertainty. It typically appears when the hand muscles aren't given the chance to breathe. The sensation may feel like you're stuck in a constant inhale or exhale without the natural ebb and flow of release. Tension also builds when playing becomes isolated in the fingers and hands, rather than being supported by the coordinated, free-flowing energy of the whole body. In contrast, healthy tension allows the hands to rest naturally on the keys, supported by just enough activation to maintain control, without strain, This kind of tension is dynamic. It breathes, alternating between effort and release, like the natural rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. In this course, healthy tension is cultivated through focused exercises in tone production, including sound imagination, active and passive hand motion, internal singing, intonation, phrasing, and the balanced use of natural arm weight.